so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Gattu Chinky became special guest. Gattu Chinky was sitting and doing their homework when the doorbell rang. As soon as Mummy opens the door, she sees that Sheetal auntie was standing outside.
Hey, come in. Gattu Chinky, see who has come? Your favorite Sheetal auntie.
Auntie, welcome. Please come in.
Thank you, children. Today I have come to invite you to my house. You both will come to my house tomorrow as special guests.
What? Special guest?
But auntie, what is tomorrow? Kids, tomorrow is my birthday. And in the whole colony, I only know you people. And you both are also my good friends. That's why I have come to invite you both for dinner.
Wow! Happy birthday in advance, Auntie.
We both will definitely come, Auntie. Yes, kids. You both will come with your mummy papa tomorrow at 5 p.m. Now I should go home and start doing the preparations. Kids, say thank you to Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
Then Auntie leaves from there and Gattu Chinky say to Mummy,
Mummy, Auntie referred to us as special guests and invited us, so we should also take some special gift for her birthday. Yes, you are right, Gattu.
Then let's go, Gattu. We will make a special gift for Auntie.
Then Gattu Chinky sit together in their room and prepare a special gift for Auntie. The next day, both of them get ready and reach Auntie's house with Mummy Papa and ring the doorbell.
Welcome, Gattu Chinky. Come inside. Come.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much to all of you. Come on, all of you. Come inside.
As soon as Gattu Chinky go inside Auntie's house, they see that her house was very colorful and lovely.
Wow, Auntie. Your house is so lovely.
Yes, Gattu. Look how many colorful pots Auntie has kept. And she has also planted plants in them. Auntie, do they not need sunlight?
No, kids. These are indoor plants. They do not need much sunlight. And do you know, I painted these pots myself. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, Auntie. Very beautiful. I can't even believe you painted all of them yourself.
Thank you, Chinky dear. Come on, let us go to the dining room. Dinner is almost ready.
Okay, Auntie.
Auntie takes everyone to her dining room. And it was also very beautiful. There was a very beautiful crockery set on Auntie's dining table.
Children, look at this. These are special seats for my lovely special guests. You both sit down over here. I am going to serve the food now. Come on, I will also come and help you.
Then Mummy and Auntie served the food together. And a birthday cake was also kept on the table.
Auntie, you cut the cake first, and yes, don't forget to ask for a wish while blowing the candles. Okay, Gattu. I am going to cut the cake now.
Mummy puts candles on Auntie's birthday cake. And as soon as Auntie blows the candles, Gattu, Chinky and Mummy Papa start singing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Sheetal auntie. Happy birthday to you. Here you go, Gattu Chinky. You both are my special guests. So first of all, you both eat the cake. Thank you, Auntie. This is chocolate cake, my favorite.
And me too.
Auntie feeds cake to Gattu Chinky. Gattu Chinky also feed the cake to Auntie. And then everyone has dinner together. Auntie also prepared Gattu Chinky's favorite dinner.
Wow, Auntie, the food is very yummy. I enjoyed it.
Gattu is right, Auntie.
So kids, eat to your heart's content. I have also made gulab jamun for you guys as a dessert.
Gulab jamun! Yay!
Then everyone has dinner together and also has dessert. Gattu Chinky liked the dinner very much.
Kids, I have also packed the cake for both of you, okay? Oh, what was the need for this? By the way, Gattu Chinky, you guys are forgetting one thing. What, Mummy? Kids, that special gift which you guys made together for Auntie.
Oh yes! Here it is.
Then Chinky picks up a bag kept with her. And Gattu Chinky together give that bag to Auntie.
Hey, what is there in this, kids?
Auntie, please open it and see.
As Auntie opens that bag, she sees that there was a bouquet of handmade flowers and also a birthday card in it.
Wow, kids, this bouquet is so lovely. And this card too. Thank you so much. Till date, no one has given me such a lovely birthday card. Welcome, Auntie. Look, we have made a drawing of you inside the card too.
Oh, really?
When Auntie opens the card and looks at it, she starts laughing seeing the drawing made by Gattu Chinky.
Wow, kids, this drawing is even prettier than me.
Mummy Papa also start laughing after hearing Auntie's words.
Okay, come kids. I will show you my house. I have a lot of such handmade DIY things in my house with which I have decorated my house. Come on, I will show you.
Really, Auntie? Come on, let's see.
Then Auntie shows Gattu Chinky her house, and it was really beautiful. Somewhere Auntie had done a beautiful wall painting herself. Somewhere she had put up beautiful DIY wall decor.
Auntie, you are really very creative. When I am going to grow up, I will also decorate my house just like this by myself. Chinky, then I will come and stay in your house only. Then I won't have to work so hard, right?
Everyone starts laughing at Gattu's words, and then Auntie says to Gattu Chinky,
Children, I really like that you both came to my house as special guests. Otherwise, I did not know anyone in this society. If you people had not come, I would have had to celebrate my birthday alone.
Hey Auntie, how can this happen when we are here? Now we are going to celebrate your birthday with you every year. And you should make such a yummy dinner and feed us. Yes, and gulab jamun too.
Gattu Chinky, you guys can come for dinner anytime, whenever you wish.
Really, Auntie?
Gattu Chinky, if you guys come again and again, then Auntie will also have problem. How can there be a problem in this? I will feel very good if Gattu Chinky come.
Oh wow, Gattu Chinky, then you guys can have party anytime.
Yes, definitely. Well, now we should go. It's been very late. Gattu Chinky, say thank you to Auntie for today.
Thank you, Auntie.
Then what? Gattu Chinky go back to their home. And today was a very good day for them.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.